So 36x to the third and 42x to the fifth. Let's focus on the 36 and the 42. So I'm going to pause here for a few seconds, and I want you to start thinking about what number you divide out first. A number that goes into both 36 and 42. Get your thoughts. These are both even numbers, so if you're struggling to think of a number right now, we could always start with 2. How about we do that one more time? The good thing about that is it does make your numbers a little bit smaller, which is always nice. Those 36 divided by 2 is 18. 42 divided by 2 is 21. So this time, they're not even anymore. I have an 18, I have a 21. 21 is not even, so I cannot use 2 again. So now I can't use any other even number. Here's the cool thing. If 2 doesn't work, no even number will work. So I don't have to try 4, I don't have to try 6, I don't have to try 8, I don't have to try 12. We're going to try our odd numbers. So let's just test it out. So what about 3? 18 divided by 3 is a whole number. 21 divided by 3 is also a whole number. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use a 3. So don't be afraid to use your odd numbers. So we've already done our division. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 is prime. So you could try 7, but see how it's 6 and 7, and those are side-by-side numbers when you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anytime you have side-by-side numbers like that, you're done. There's nothing that goes into side-by-side numbers except for 1. And if I divided 1, that doesn't change anything. I could divide by 1 all day long. So my GCF, we're going to take that 2, and we're going to take that 3, and we're going to multiply them. So 2 times 3 is 6. So now variables. X to the third means we have 3. X to the fifth means we have 5. So 1 from this one, 1 from that one, they have 1 in common. 1 from this one, 1 from that one, they have a second x in common. So far we have 2 x's in common. 2 x's here, 2 x's there, 2 x's that they have in common. I can circle a third one out of each one. So 3 x's in common. They both have 3 circles, so 3 x's. I am out of x's in this first term. I've got 2 extra in the second term. That's okay. But if I can't circle one out of each, I don't write it down. So since I'm out, I'm done. So 2 times 3 is 6. X times x times x is x to the third. So the greatest common factor is 6x to the third power.